how to set speak keyboard input allowed to read characters, words, or both on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, and in here tap on General Management, and then we scroll down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. After that, go down, then tap on Swipe, Touch, and Feedback. Now in here, tap on Speak Keyboard Input Allowed. Tap on the left-hand side panel. From here, go to the What to Read section, and you can choose between characters, words, or both. And here, I will switch it on, and I will have characters and words. And you can see if I go to my keyboard,
THIS and enter. This IS is COOL cool period space. Watch it space. Cap B shift capital B.
That's it. So that is how you can switch it on, turn it off, and how you can set it to read the characters or just the words or both. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.